We are pleased to show you the 2016 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.